Welcome to Cooking with
Meech
and Monica.
Hey.
So on today's menu, we are having Chinese buffet, cheesy crab casserole. I had to make sure I got all of it correct. So y'all know when you go to the Chinese buffet, the imitation crab meat casserole that they have, that's what we making.
All right, baby, let's get into it.
I'm ready.
Let's go.
So the ingredients that you would need, of course, you're gonna need your imitation crab meat. So I'm gonna use both of these packs. Cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese. You're gonna need sour cream, cream cheese, an onion, lemon, and sugar.
Okay.
Yep. And of course, like I said, the crab meat. So you do want to wash this, so make sure you wash that and clean it.
All right, cooking gang. Monica has gloving up. She is gloving up, and here we go.
Okay, so of course, like I said, we have the imitation crab meat. Now, I know this is imitation, and they also have the real crab meat, but they don't use it at the Chinese restaurant when you go. They use this imitation crab meat.
The what now?
I forgot about the mayo.
Okay.
Let me look at my paper so I don't leave anything out. Okay, so we're gonna start with our cream cheese, and you just want to soften the cream cheese. And this is 4 ounces. I will have the entire recipe in the description box below. And we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of mayo. Now, when it comes to the onion, you can use as much or as little as you want to use. I'm going to use just a half of an onion. Y'all see my little y'all see my little pear cutting board? Ain't this cute? What you gotta say, Meech?
I have nothing to say this time. I want to get in there with Monica, y'all, but I'm gonna be in the way on this one. This ain't a big one. So we're gonna let Monica do her thing.
Yeah, this is a very quick and easy recipe, and it's good.
Yeah.
It's really good, y'all. It's quick and easy. And so like I said, you just want to slice up your onions. No right or wrong way. If you love onions, feel free to add more onions. It's not gonna, change the recipe or anything like that. You can use green onions in this recipe. I may do just a few green onions. You don't want to do too many. And now we're going to add our cheese. We're going to add a cup of the cheddar and a cup of the mozzarella. And then we're going to add the mozzarella. That's the mozzarella. And then we're gonna add a half cup of sour cream. Y'all like the way I measure stuff? Look, when I cook, I'm only measuring this for you all, but usually when I cook, I just put it in there. And then we have 1 lemon, so we're just gonna squeeze. I'm just gonna squeeze like half.
Look at that, y'all. Look at that.
We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of sugar. Just some extra seasoning. And then I'm also gonna add just some pink salt. And believe it or not, y'all, that's it. That's it. That's all. That is all to this recipe. I know a lot of you probably have had this and like, how they make that? Mm-hmm. And I used to make it all the time. Me and Meech.
Yeah.
I used to make it all the time. And it smells so good already.
We hadn't had it in a while, and Monica was like, that'd be a good recipe for the first video.
And I'm telling y'all, y'all can make this. This is very easy. Very easy. I do want to add just a few. Give that extra little. This is completely optional. I'll mix that in. And if you try this recipe, let me know how you like it. And I try not to break up the crab, the imitation crab, so I basically just kind of fold everything in to make sure everything is just kind of coated with the sour cream and the mayo and all of that. So I'm just gonna spray my pan with some non-stick spray. Add this on top, and you want to bake this on 325 degrees for 30 minutes. Okay. And then you want to just top it off with just a little cheese on top. I'm gonna go in with just some of that mozzarella.
Ooh, doggy, look at that.
On top, and then let it cook 30 minutes. So we're gonna put this in the oven. We're gonna let this bake on 325 degrees for 30 minutes, and then we'll be back.
All right. All right, y'all, there it is. Fresh out the oven, look at that. Ooh. There it is, y'all. Look at that cheese pull. That's a long pull there.
I know, look at it, the chunks of the crab meat.
Yes, sir. Look at that. All right, y'all, we finna taste this. Look at that. Yeah.
I'm sorry, y'all.
All right, y'all. We finna taste this. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. The taste. Look at the white boy. The taste test. You ready, baby?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Lord, thank you for this food we're about to receive. Ask you to bless it in your son Jesus Christ. Pray. Amen. Amen.
That prayer was fast.
I don't know why we pray just to do a taste test, but the food already blessed.
Why it sound like your mouth watering? You said really like.
Here we go.
That's just as good as I remember.
I can't even talk.
It's been a long time since I made this too.
It's good, fam.
That green onion, and you don't taste the lemon juice. It just adds that freshness. No.
That's good.
And it's light. It's not as heavy as you think it should be.
That's good.
And that sweetness from the crab meat.
Yeah.
So would you say we need to do anything different with this recipe? Need to add anything, take anything away?
Good.
That's right.
Good.
So there y'all go. But
A1.
play around with it. I think the original recipe had the Worcestershire sauce. I guess that's how you pronounce it, but y'all know what sauce I'm talking about. But I didn't put that in there.
That's good.
And it's like, it's not a heavy meal at all. Look at that. Look at that, Mitchell.
Them onions in it, do something to it. Give it like a little crunch on the inside.
And then that flavor.
That's good. All right, y'all. That's it. That's it. Listen, if you hadn't subscribed, subscribe to Cooking with Meech and Monica. We're gonna let y'all have it, but y'all get back in the kitchen and y'all try this, man. And we're gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.
It's good. And got that bite. Like you said, that crunch. Ooh, get out.
Man, I'm all gone.
Yeah, I'm okay.